All right, we're gonna check the fuel rail pressure. This car has a crank. It'll start, but it won't stay running. So I'm kind of suspecting a fuel pump issue. This is a 91 Mercury topaz one. Okay, this is the master fuel injection test kit. There's not much information online, so I think this big one could be the supply. Pop that off. Stop it here and we'll get some little pry bar. All right, this is a pry bar here. Okay, move that to the side and see if this is disconnected. Try this yellow one here. Okay, so not like none of these are working. So let me go to got this one here. Let me see, where is it for work? Looks like I might not have the proper tool to do this. Let me try this one here. Let me stop it here and look at it. All right, I wasn't able to take off that fuel line off the fuel pressure regulator, but this is the. Okay, we're going to test straight off the from the fuel pump to the fuel filter. So I was right. The big one is that's the supply line. The big one. I can't get that one off, so So I'll be right back. Let me set this up. I found the adapter. I wonder if that's gonna. Okay. And we're gonna hook the gauge up to it. Okay. I want you to get in the car. And I want you to turn it on, but don't start it. We're gonna do a key on. We're gonna see what the pressure is. Then the next one, I'm gonna have you. Just turn it on. Did you turn it on? Okay, we're not getting anything. Go ahead and do a crank test. Go ahead and crank it. Okay, it's a little bit low. Let me so you can see the pressure right there is at 50. So I'm getting ready to I'm finna release the fuel pressure. Okay, just turn it on, but don't crank it. You turn it on?
Yeah.
Let me put it right here. Let me look and see what's going on here. Okay, I'm gonna have you. I look like you're gonna be needing a fuel pump. Okay, but go ahead and crank it. Okay, okay, do it again. Okay, look, we got a bad fuel pump, because normally you do a key on test, and it's supposed to be at a certain pressure. When you turn the key on, you get a certain amount of fuel, and then when you crank it, you're supposed to get another. So we're under 50 pounds. Now I'm not exactly sure what the fuel pressure is supposed to be on these, but normally they're around 50 to 55. So we're under that. So I'm going to say this car needs a fuel pump. So, alrighty.